Welcome to Bakwa Phosphate Academy of Science and Technology. We are here to solve your academic related problems as concerns the science and technology subjects. These subjects include biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, computer science, and I am called Vanessa, and I will be taking you with biology, implying I will teach you biology. I hope you enjoy our lessons, and please, if you do enjoy our lessons, don't hesitate to write a comment to us so we know that you are enjoying our lessons. But if you face some difficulties, as it is with every other thing you are studying for the first time, don't hesitate to make us know so we can fix it and we forge ahead. Thank you for your understanding. Now we are moving forward. Biology. 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 You know, when I was in the secondary school, biology was one of my favorite subjects because I loved my teacher who took us with biology. He taught so well that I understood the subject perfectly. Okay, let's move ahead. Form 1 biology. We are starting with Form 1 biology because you are in Form 1. So it's important we start with Form 1 biology. What is biology? What is biology? The word biology. What does it mean? What is it all about? Biology is a science subject. You know, we have many science subjects, but biology is one of them. And we will study biology from 1 under 3 broad topics. Sit back, relax, because you are going to enjoy our study today. The 3 broad topics that biology is made up of is 1. The living world. 2. Health education. 3. Environmental and sustainable development. Those are the 3 topics that we divide biology from 1 into. Now, number 1, the living world. What is the living world? All around you, everything that has life is living. So the living world is made up of living organisms such as frogs, tigers, spiders, monkeys, fish, snails, owls, human beings, all make up the living world. Now, those are animals or living organisms you can see. What about the ones we cannot see? Such as disease-causing organisms. We have bacteria. We don't see bacteria with our eyes, but they are living. We have virus. We don't see viruses with our eyes, but they are living. So all of these living organisms, both those we can see and those we cannot see, make up the living world. Now, They are in 5 kingdoms. We have animals. We have fungi. We have plants. We have prokaryotes and we have protista. We are going to study these kingdoms when we move ahead in biology. These kingdoms are going to be studied in details when you get to lower 6 and upper 6. We can see the living world. We can see the living world made up of living organisms. What a beautiful world God created. God created all these living organisms you see in this picture. They make up the living world. Now, this broad topic, the living world, has many chapters. But today we are going to begin with chapter 1, and that's the introduction to biology. Have you ever heard of the word biology? Of course, it is not an English word. It is Greek. It is a Greek word. And this Greek word is made up of 2 Greek words. We have the first part, bios, and we have the second, logos. The first part, bios, means living things. Bio means living things or living organisms, while logos means a scientific study. So if we combine the 2 words bio and logos, we form biology, which means, in definition, biology is the scientific study of living organisms or living things. What do we mean here by scientific study? Scientific study is a systematic way of studying something. So actually, we study living organisms systematically. We don't do it haphazardly. Now, biology is made up of 2 main branches. We have 2 branches in biology. We have zoology and we have botany. What is zoology? Does the word ring a bell? Zoo? Have you ever been to the zoo in Limbe? It is a beautiful place. If you get there, you are going to see that a number of animals are there. Types of monkeys. We have snakes. We have crocodiles. We have birds. All of those are found in a zoo. Therefore, what do you think is zoology? Zoology is the study of animals. Animals. Remember, animals are living organisms. They are living things. Now, anyone who studies zoology is called a zoologist. Is called a zoologist. You remove the Y and add an IST there. Are you excited about seeing a zoo? Yes, a zoo is a wonderful place. It's a beautiful place. See pictures of how zoologists are looking after animals. These are the animals. Zoologists are wonderful people. Animals are creatures of God. And zoologists look after these animals to make sure that they live and are well taken care of. That is the branch of biology, zoology, the study of animals. Now we move on to the next. We have botany. Botany is the study of plants. Botany is the study of plants. Now, who are those who study botany? They are called botanists. Plants also, we know, are living organisms. Plants are living organisms. Plants eat. Do you know that? Plants respire. Do you know that? Plants grow. Therefore, they are living organisms. So when you study plants, how to take care of plants, study the nature of plants, you are called a botanist. Have you ever been to the botanical garden in Limbe? It's a beautiful place. You will see tall trees, beautiful plants, fruit-bearing plants, flower-bearing plants. It is wonderful. This is a botanist taking care of her flowers. Now we have come to the end of the first lesson. Are we going to say we'll be able to answer the questions that follow? If you are able to answer these questions, then you have understood the first lesson. Question number 1. Where is the word biology from? Is it an English word? Food for thought. Define biology. Question number 2. Define biology. How many main branches does biology have? Now you name them. Define the branches of biology. We have come to the end of our first lesson. Answer these questions and give us the answers. Send the answers to our WhatsApp page so it can be corrected and sent back to you. It can be corrected and then sent back to you. Thank you so much. How did you enjoy the first lesson? And how can you rate it? Was it a this? Or was it this? Feel free to comment. Thank you. Good day.